Hello teacher and partner, this is my presentations about the unit 1, that is cue recognition. So I'm going to start with the first task, that is personal introduction. My name is Vanessa Tapia. I'm 27 years old and married, and I live in Barranquilla. Actually, I work as a teacher, and in the moment I am in the 7th semester in Bachelor in English, and I'm happy to learn the new assignment. So, the task number 2 is about the answers and questions. Each student have to answer the following questions. So, the first question is, according to the course description, what could your personal goal be while completing the course, and why? So, my personal goals is to put in practice all the knowledge that I'm going to learn during the course, having all the necessary skills for developing and understanding, and I consider that this subject has the purpose to help us in how to teach and how to design, and I like it. So for me, I really happy to start with that assignment and learns all that content that the ESP bring us. The number 2 is, according to course content, how do you think the course will help you to improve your teaching competence? Well, I think that according to course content, it helped me in how to organize, to develop and design a specific class, having into account all process and the tools that we need. For example, one of the units are analyzing need to design an ESP course and a syllabus designs for ESP course. Those are 2 units that help in the teaching process that we need as a teacher. The third question, according to the course contents, what are the 5 topics you like the most and why? Okay, I was checking all the contents for the 3 units, and I consider that for me, this is the 5 lists of the contents that I like it, because I think that have all the required that we need to learn. So the first one is materials design in an English specific purpose. The second is the methodology in an English for a specific purpose, and evaluations, the syllabus, and the last one is the needs analysis. So I think that all of those have the characteristic and it has the tools for for teach us the specific purpose in which we have to teach in a class. So, for example, the material designs how to design and materials with a specific purpose is the sense with the methodology. We need a specific methodology for to explain, for to teach, and of course for to learn. I consider that both functions have the same functions. And the third evaluations, for me, I consider that having a technique for evaluate and knowledge is very important to create it. And the syllabus and analyzing all of that. So for me, I consider that all of one contains the tools and the knowledge that we need to develop, and is like the summary. And the fourth, according to the course contents, how does ESP relate to your language learning experience? Okay, I consider that we have goals to reach, and if we do the things with a specific purpose, all that we have to do, it is going to be good, and in my experience, it will hide. So according to my experience, I think that I try to have an order, and I see the object in which I'm going to develop and whatever activity. And then number 5, have you been enrolled in an ESP course in the past? If it's so, which one? How did you like it? Okay, no, I didn't be enrolled in a ESP course. It is my first time, so um, I consider that studying hard that subject, I'm going to acquire the enough of knowledge for to really enroll in the ESP course. And my experience is going to be high, as I told you in the last question. And I've considered that all of that content, it will help in the future as a teacher. So thank you. Bye bye.